Hi friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a delicious tomato rasam. This is a South Indian recipe. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Let's see the ingredients. I have some peppercorn seeds, some cumin seeds, about 2 dried red chilies which is slit, about 10 shallots or small onions, about 10 garlic cloves which is peeled, about 3 large tomatoes, a few curry leaves, and about 1 lime size of tamarind. I've taken about 750 ml of water today. Into the water, let's add the 3 tomatoes and crush it well. Now in the water, let's add some tamarind juice. I've taken about 1 lime size of tamarind and extracted the pulp. Now let's add sufficient salt. Check the seasoning in the water and keep it aside. Now let's crush the shallots and the garlic. I've taken about 10 shallots and 10 garlic cloves and crush it and keep it aside. Now take a mixer jar. Let's add about 1 teaspoon of peppercorn seeds and 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and powder it. Now you can see we have made it into a coarse powder. Let's add the cumin and pepper powder into the water and keep it aside. Now let's start making the rasam. You can see our tomato mixture is ready. Our shallots and garlic is ready. Our curry leaves. I've taken about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, urad dal and the 2 dried red chilies. Now take a pan. When the pan is nice and hot, let's add about 2 teaspoons of oil. Now let's add about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Also add 2 dried red chilies which is slit and stir fry it till the urad dal is nice and golden brown. Now let's add the crushed shallots and garlic, 10 numbers each, and also add a few curry leaves and saute it. Let it release all the aroma. At this stage, let's add about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and quarter teaspoon of asafoetida powder. You can use any brand of your choice. This is very good for digestion and also for gas trouble. So stir fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's add the tomato mixture. And mix everything together. Check the seasoning one more time and add sufficient salt and tamarind if necessary. Let's also add about 1 teaspoon of jaggery or cane sugar. This gives a nice flavor to the rasam. And finish it with some coriander leaves. Take 1 handful of coriander which is chopped and garnish it with the rasam. Let it not boil too much. When the first bubble appears, we need to switch off the flame and serve it hot. Do try this lovely recipe. It's truly delicious and very healthy too. It is packed with antioxidants and very good for digestion. Do try this lovely recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.